We're known for delivering machines that are nothing you could buy from the catalog. We'll do jobs that no one would normally take. Our biggest industries that we sell to are consumer goods and pharmaceutical. As CEO, I work on the strategic planning of Norwalt. A customer will say, hey, I need something at 500 a minute. We'll say, how about 1,000 a minute? So we're always pushing the envelope and trying to stay one step ahead of our customers.
A lot of companies struggle with the cost of labels, the recyclability of labels. And so as new regulations come out, all of these companies will need to adapt at some point. And for us, we see a big space in the market where there's not a lot of companies that are doing specifically high-speed direct-to-object digital print.
What we wanted to do was be able to have a flexible machine we could wheel in place of a front and back labeling machine and be able to change it to where we're having robot unloading, loading it. We could add stations to it, all in one machine.
This is the Norwalt Tesseract, a machine that utilizes all the degrees of motion that XPlanar has to offer to be able to take any geometry and print directly onto the object. At the push of a button, we can now change over between products.
With this type of system, we have full capability to control all the different speeds, all the different motions because of the independent movers, but it also gives us the capability to really scale to whatever the customer needs instead of providing one locked-in solution that they have to work around.
That allows us to do recipe-driven changeovers between products with minimal to no downtime. Now you could run multiple products all on one machine and print on all of them. With such a brand new technology and with so much ability to move objects wherever we wanted, it really made us think about how we should lay it out for the customer. There was definitely a eureka moment where all of us in conjunction with each other figured out that if we could print directly on objects using this, we could then run multiple products on one machine.
With Beckhoff, we found that there wasn't a better solution than the XPlanar. Because it has EtherCAT built into it, we have extremely good registration between all of the different stations. Because we are able to combine all of these technologies in one, all using EtherCAT, we can make sure that we could always put out the best prints possible.
We're doing entire layouts with XPlanar. That's going to be a whole new generation of how our machines look down the road. Everything's going to be non-fixed, flexible, and really going to help them with long-term capital investments.
With XPlanar, we essentially have the capability to now scale to machines from small print shops with a couple employees all the way up to large Fortune 500 customers.
We've been starting to show our XPlanar line layouts to big CPG customers. In the beginning, they're like, we don't understand. What is this? They see the animation, we show them videos of what we got on the floor, and then all of a sudden you see their eyes light up. Then we'll have meetings with them a couple weeks later, and they're like, that thing you showed us, start getting us a firm quote. XPlanar gives us that cutting edge, and that's going to give our customers a huge advantage for the future needs of e-commerce, and that's our goal.